The concrete portion went up in 24 days.
Magazines and cranes came here and did articles about the Calgary Tower and how it was being constructed.
We were working off the elevator, which was just a platform, the A-frame, of the nothing around it, no walls around it, except for the structural steel and the steel studs that had been put up.
We got extreme high winds, Chinook winds, and of course, get up on the tower, and you could see by way of a plumb bob that the tower would just move, like about 3 feet in total. And so, obviously it's still here 50 years later. It didn't blow over, but it was a relief, nevertheless.
See, we were this high, and they found out BC was higher, so we had this on. So we were higher than them.
So it opened in 68. The tower that everything could basically see for miles and miles. Never any of the tall buildings in downtown Calgary constructed like we do today.
I was 16 years old, my brother was 14. And we decided to be down here a little bit early so we could be the first people up the tower. Never seen that kind before. There was 4,000 people, I guess, that came into that first day of viewing. So being one of the first ones out of 4,000 was pretty cool.
The first carillon was donated to the city of Calgary, and that was done through a donation program through the Dutch community. And the carillon was presented in 1975 as a centennial.
The Netherlands people wanted to commemorate the brave Canadians that liberated the Netherlands. When we commemorate the Battle of Walcheren, where many Calgary Highlanders were fighting and perished. So it's very important to have this relationship.
APCO came to the Calgary Tower. They were one of the sponsors of the Olympic Games, and they came to the Calgary Tower and asked them if they'd be interested in having a giant Olympic flame on top of the Calgary Tower. And so they allowed APCO Gas to build the cauldron on top of the tower, and that the rest is history. It became the world's tallest Olympic flame.
In 2014, Aspen Properties was looking for a proposal to light up several parts of the tower. Increasing lighting on a structure like this over time, you definitely get more bang, because you get people going, oh, look what's happening now, look what's happening now. So the first phase included illuminating of the underside of the scoop, and then on the roof line, we put 24 floods to evenly illuminate the curved roof. And then on the very top of the crown that we see, we placed 12 floods. It's been an amazing project.
I haven't been downtown for a long time. You see it and you said, well, yeah, we worked on that dark tower.
Although dwarfed by so many other buildings, it's today still just iconically, that's Calgary, and you get it like instantly.
I use it as a focal point, just navigating around the city. Yeah.
It's not going to get taller, but it's still going to be important to Calgarians, important to history, important spiritually.
Calgarians care a whole lot about it. It's a symbol of our city. It's on the news in the background every time you flip it on. It's on Hockey Night in Canada when you look at it.
You just become an icon. You just become important to the community. There's a sense of security to know that the tower is there and you can look up and you see the lights.
I worked on quite a number of downtown buildings. It'd be the most unique, by a long stretch, I guess.
Good morning! Nandito na tayo sa second day ng ating tour. Yan, dito kami naka-check-in sa hotel. Yan. Ang batang nag-birthday kagabi. Nalimutan na po namin videohan yung birthday niya. Lahat pagod. Lahat pagod. So, magbe-breakfast muna kami, then
pupunta tayo.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Calgary Tower. Calgary Tower, dyan, no?
Dito? Oo, gusto mo makita dyan sa taas? Ha? Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
How are you, Jana?
Say hi.
Say hi. So, day 2 ng aming tour dito sa Calgary. Ito, ikutin muna namin yung ito, Calgary naman kami. Dito lang muna kami sa loob ng Calgary. Ito kami ang Calgary Tower. Tapos, kung naman namin mapasyalan. Yan ang batang dalawang bata. So, let's go! Yan guys, nairatan na kami sa town ng Calgary. Approaching na kami dito sa tower. So pupunta kami ngayon sa bakit pala kami ngayon dito sa Calgary Tower. Ayan. Say hello vlog.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Calgary. Diba? Para na din tayo nagpalipad ng drone na ito. Sobrang taas. Ikutin lang muna natin mabilis. Pakatas. '67 sa Binuwa. So ito, in-explore naman namin yung city ng Calgary. Dito kami ngayon sa town. Yun lang naman yung tower. Dito kami sa ulo. Sa ulo ng leon.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame, nope.
Second spot, Fish Bridge. Fish Bridge naman kami, Fish Bridge. May kisi lang eh. Ito yung Fish Bridge. Ito yung Fish Bridge. Ganda sa gabi. Ito na yung Fish Bridge. Fish Bridge. Built 1626. Ito lang makikita mo rito sa Fish Bridge na to. So yan, mga napagod na po maglakad, kaya kami ay mag-i-scooter para kunin ang sakyan.
So, nagamit yung 30, buti naman, sayang.
Ano ba, sisipa muna?
Picture muna.
Oo nga, sisipa ka muna.
Agar na yan.
Hawakan mo ito, ano, baka tusok na ito, ano.
Dadalhin ko na ito, sige na. Picture na. 1, 2.
Let's go! Pagano, dali. Pagano na. Mga bata eh.
Bakit naman? Ang hirap naman.
Naglaro mo na. Sakay, testing. Dali, sakay.
Sakay na doon. Sige na, iakas ka sa lulog ka.
Dali. Bitaw. Yay! Oh, happy na? Happy? Oh.
Maganda ka lang po. Masyado ka namang malapit. Ang lapit mo naman sa akin. Diba, oh. Pinasalan. Sandali.
Prenup? Ano ba yung prenup?
Ikot ka, malam ka ba? O, dali.
May bagong kasal ba?
Kaki! Let's go! No! Hey! No! I'll come with Daddy.
No, bawal. Dada kami sa kalsada. Hindi pwede. Go down.
Take care, Daddy.
Pagbigyan ha. Tara na.
Bye.
We are on high speed mode. Ride safely.
Yung toggle speed.
We are on low speed mode.
Most speed.
We are on high speed mode. Ride safely.
Nice. Ba't nabusina ng kanya? Ilang bar ba yung speed dyan? 3?
We are in a low speed zone. Please slow down.
Nabagal nga ng kanya. Parang lang tayo naglalaro. Lamig. Oh, tayo sakit naman talaga, sakit naman sa katawan eh. Sakit siya pa ah. Sa katawan. Minutes. Masakit sa katawan ano?
Damang-dama mo yung kalsada.
Yala. Yala. Go. Si ate dyan. Si ate dyan, liwanag. Ha? Tag-tag. Ang sakit ka na. Lampas na tayo ah. Di ba pala? Ba't nakalabas no parking? May nakalabas, nakalagay no parking, nawala. May lumabas sa screen, no parking. Dito tayo dumaan kaya. Ha? Ano? Saan? Iwan natin? Ha? Saan doon ba tayo nakapark? Ha? Doon ba tayo nakapark? Doon ba? So ganun lang paggamit ng electronic scooter dito. Yun, kakancel mo lang din ng ganun para hindi na siya mananakaw. So nakapunta na kami dito sa may parking.
Oh, yun na. 3 days unlimited. 490 pesos.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spit slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know.
Keep safe and keep on trucking.